Hi guys, today we're going to install the under door seal. It's called Draft Buster and it is meant to block and reduce drafts, noise, odors and light. I'll show you what comes inside. We have the material and two foam tubes on each side. There's a zipper here. The material is washable. So one tube will go on the inside of the door, and as you can see we have quite some drafts here in our apartment, and that's why we are installing these guys. So one tube, and like I said there's a second one. It fits doors up to 36 inches. So I'll show you, our door is approximately 36 inches, as you can see, so it will fit without any modifications. But if your door is smaller, you can cut a piece off and then fold this material, the material like that, and then it will fit your door if it's smaller. So I will put these two back in, close the zipper, and the installation is very straightforward. You open the door and you push it underneath all the way, and like I said guys, one on the inside, one on the outside, and you close the door. And as you guys can see, it fits perfectly. It will move together with your door when you open and close it. And this material is washable. And right now there is much less draft, almost none, that I can feel. If you still have drafts, you can wrap the foam inside with some fabric all around to make it tighter. This is how the seal looks like on the outside of the door. Even though we have these trim pieces, it still works. If you need one of these products, I will leave you a link in the description. Thank you guys for watching, we'll see you in the next video.